Welcome to this lecture of Biology and Health Welfare. What we're going to cover in this lecture is microbes useful in the production of biogas, microbes in terms of biocontrol agents as well as biofertilizers. First, we will see microbes taking part in the production of biogas. So, biogas is nothing but the methane-rich fuel which is produced by the methanogens, which is a anaerobic bacteria. Anaerobic means they grow in the absence of oxygen. Different kind of microbes produces different gas products such as yeast produces carbon dioxide. Ruminants are the animals which bring back food from stomach and chew them again. So in their stomach there is a bacteria living which is nothing but the methanogens. These methanogens will break down the cellulose which is present in there and produces methane gas which is abbreviated as CH4. As we know already, methanogens break down organic food. Cow dung, which is also known as gobar, has methanogens present, and this is suitable for biogas generation. Now we will see biogas plant design and its function. It is made up of concrete tank which hold the dung slurry, which have multiple or different microbes which break down organic material. Then the floating cover rises due to its increase in the biogas production. This biogas is captured and piped to the home for the cooking and light purpose. The remaining slurry is removed and act as a fertilizer which provide nutrient to soil and increase its fertility. Then what is the benefit of this biogas plant? So it is abundant cattle dung which has methanogens. Then it is a clean and renewable energy source. It reduces the dependency on the traditional fuels such as firewoods, and it is act as a fertilizer as well, or it produces the fertilizer, the remaining slurry or the spent slurry. It is act as a fertilizer. Then this biogas technology pioneered by IARI and KVRC, these are the organizations. Then there are methods which separate biogas from other gases. So as you can see over here, biogas in situ upgrade process where H2 is inserted and we get the 95% of methane. Then over here you can see 60% of methane and CO2 is 40%. Also we added the hydrogen and we process them and produces the biogas. Then the hybrid upgrading process where it involves in situ and ex situ processes where we can separate biogas from other gases. As you can see over here, H2 is involved, hydrogen gas, methane, carbon dioxide are involved in this process. Then the chemicals, pesticides. It is toxic and harmful not only to the animals but also our surrounding or the environment. It pollutes soil, water and the crops as well. Then, what is the difference between biological and chemical control? We have seen chemical control in terms of pesticides. So now we will see biological control. Organic farming promotes the biodiversity, which help us to maintain predator and prey relationship, and it increases biodiversity and act as a natural biocontrol. It balances the ecosystem with prey and predator relationship, also the life cycle of prey and predator, and it reduces the dependence on the pesticides. Then we will see some importance in this field. We should identify the beneficial predator and pest, analyze their life cycle and preferences. Then also we should develop targeted biocontrol strategies. Let's see some microbial biocontrol agents. Ladybugs and dragonflies